What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. I am very excited because today I finally get to talk about a partnership between Better Biomed channel, BC Group, and iFixIt, iFixIt.com. Whereas we've been trying to develop a AI that allows you to repair your medical equipment more efficiently using more accurate information. And it is a very tough endeavor because there's so many different types of medical devices, so many different models, so many different service manuals, the lack of service manuals, etc. So we've been building a very large database. And Kyle over at iFixIt, he's been working on this for years. And BC Group, we've uploaded our manuals that allow the AI to get from the source information on the test equipment and from the medical equipment, and it marries those up and gives you step-by-step processes for how you fix your medical equipment or test it. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at a couple of the examples that I have. First off, if you go to ifixit.com/device/medical_device, you can see a forum here where you can look at different types of devices, and also there's question and answers down here. This forum is a pretty good spot to get an answer quickly, and anybody that does reply, those answers will be fed into a knowledge base for posterity, and the AI can read that up and it can answer other people's questions using those recommendations. So folks, go ahead and check that out. That is ifixit.com/device/medical device. And let's go into the iFixit chatbot, which Kyle's been very diligently working on. And this right here is an answer to the SA2600 electrical safety analyzer. So the way that this works is you come in here and it says, how can I help? And there's conversation starters down here, but first thing you should do, select what type of device you're looking to repair, in this case, medical devices. Then you can select a subcategory or you can search. So let's say I have an SA2600. There it is. Look at that, BC Group SA2600. We select it, and now I can answer any questions about that relevant to medical devices. Using this device, how do I test applied parts? And I looked that up, and right here it says, let's look it up in the manual. Let's give you some answers. And it says, talking about test currents, the procedure. I love how it gives a purpose, like why we do it, and then how you do it. And down here, patient isolation, and it gives the standards. IEC 6601. Very interesting. So this is still a work in progress, but through you guys' cooperation, through your assistance, we can build it because AI is one of those things that is always learning. And if you want to contribute manuals to help build this database even bigger, right now I think it's got like 30 or 40,000 manuals. It's got a lot of manuals. But if you want to help us build it bigger, you can email those manuals anonymously to biomed@ifixit.com. And that means that the manual will be added to the AI and it will start answering questions based on that manual as soon as it is indexed correctly and as soon as the information is verified. And guys, this is a huge endeavor. So there's other things that Kyle's been working on. We just had a meeting and I was so excited I had to make this video for you as quickly as possible. But BC Group, our manuals are on there, so it can answer any question relevant to BC Group's equipment. But at the same time, there's like 20, 30,000 medical devices on there. It can answer questions based on too. So go ahead and check it out, ifixit.com and ifixit/device/medical device if you want to get to just the medical repair section of their website. So iFixit is a leader in the right to repair mission, and I absolutely salute them, and I'm going to be doing more stuff with them this point forward. And just stay tuned, guys, because in the next month or two, we have got some pretty big announcements to make, and I'm very excited for that. So thanks for watching, guys, and go check them out, ifixit.com.